Yeah, le fue so what for this vaina for the winter de novo por Corona. Ne lava afa fie tabo lava finalo la tuma. Mai lava le mtu se o titi ko la tuma lava la intro de vaina ma le afa fie lela a to tu si vaina. We are getting ready to perform a very, very special number part for this program. But as we're waiting, I just want you to know that I do have another talent.
Ladies and gentlemen, featuring
I'm still the band.
Fale Tamawai. Dedication to Tema
like a shadows on a wall. Often they never by my side. Till you hold it I don't wanna leave you alone. Help me make it through the night. I don't care what's right or wrong, and I'm trying to understand. Let the devil take tomorrow. Why tonight all I need is you, my friend. Yesterday's dead and gone, and tomorrow's outside. I don't have to be alone. Help me make it through the night. I hope you enjoy this special day. We've been waiting all these years for this great day. And we want you to know we love you so very, very much. And I don't care what's right or wrong. And I'm trying to understand. Like the devil take tonight is for you, my friend. Yesterday's dead and tomorrow's outside. It's so sad to be alone. Help me make it through the
How about a big thank you for Balatamwani, Kenny Rogers. Thank you.
One more minute and a half, and then you'll see the next very important part of this program. I would like to ask the new couple to please step down. We'll provide you a couple of chairs there because the next performance will be providing you to a couple of ladies. These little ones here, move out of the way, please. They only take 3 minutes. is one of the finest system will send those plays for you. Kids, we're going to use that bigger space downstairs for our Kavalunga. Please move out of the way.
Okay, the dance is almost ready.
Just need a little bit more time to get prepared.
so we're gonna do a song for you. Lina and Timon, enjoy this evening. It's probably the most time you're gonna dance the rest of your life. So whatever we sing, this is a love song that I really, really like. My brothers and I would like to dedicate this song to Timon, and Lina. It's a song called Surround Me With Love. So please come up and dance. Surround me with love. I need you beside me. I want you to hold and hide me when this world is closing in on me. Surround me with love. I know I can take it, whatever comes. I know I can face it, just as long as you surround me with love. I like to run away from you, but if you never find me, I would die. I'd like to break this chains you put around me, but I know I never will. Stay away and all I do is wonder why should I just wait for you. But when this common sense prevails for lovers, when they know you never will. Surround me with love. I need you beside me. I want you to hold and hide me when this world is closing in on me. Surround me with love. I know I can take it, whatever comes. I know I can face it, just as long as you surround me with love. Just as long as you surround me with love. Hey. The two women would like to end with their Siva Samoa, the Taonunga. You know, in the Fa Samoa, the Taonunga is the roof of a home. And with that, we would like to bless the newlywed couple with their new roof over their heads.
Ole, salamat sa oras sa Wena
The beautiful Friday Thomas. And Salon Community Lovely Friday. Ladies and gentlemen, we're preparing now the bride and groom. Could they walk over to the cake? And while they're preparing, we'll have Linus' cousin Willie and the gang sing as they disperse the cake. Thank you very much. I'd like to turn the time over to Brother Novella Talimatasi. But brothers and sisters, the significance of the cake is